guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be looking at the second parcel that Kredioo sent. So this one is the 3-in-1 holographic universal cat eye gels. These are smart, guys, let me tell you. So you get 3 in this set. You've got your instructions in the lid. So we have got a rainbow universal cat eye, golden universal cat eye, and a silver. I can't wait to have a play with these. So these come in 7.5ml glass bottles. You've got your ingredients on the back. So what I'm going to do is, oh, you even get a magnet as well. I didn't know that. Yee, wow, cool. So I'm going to swatch them to start with so we can take a look at them as full cover colours. And then I'm going to have a little play with them and see what we can do with them. So the first one is the golden universal cat eye. Ooh, this looks nice. Look at this. Look at that. I just want to say as well, guys, these haven't got to go over a black. These universal ones, you can apply them over any colour, clear, any other background colour. And I'm going to show you that later on in this video. When you apply them over different colours, you get a different effect. So that is after one coat. So I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds first. So now I'm going in with my second coat. See, I like these even just as a full colour. How pretty is that? Really pretty, like antique-y kind of gold. So that's what it would look like if you was to use it as a full colour. Now let's see what it does with the magnet, shall we? Oh, I can see it moving already. Let me pull you down a bit, guys, so you can see a bit better. So when you're using this magnet, you want to hold it about a centimetre away. You don't actually want to touch the nail. Can you see that? How cool is that? I also have another magnet that has got like a circle on it. So you can get all different magnets that have all different shapes on them. They create crosses and all sorts. There's so many different things you can do with these cat eyes. They look really, really cool. Look at that. How cool does that look? Really pretty colour. And I'll tell you what else I like about these as well, guys. If you're not happy with how it looks, all you've got to do is go back over it. You don't need no more product on your brush. You can just go straight back over it. And that will reset it to how it was. And then it's back to how it was again. So you can do the original cat eye line, like that. You do like squiggly lines. I could play with these all day long, trying different things with them, but I'm not gonna keep you too long, I promise. I like to do this kind of effect. So then once you're happy with that, you need to pop that in the lamp as soon as possible, because the particles will start to move back. But as soon as you pop that in the lamp, that's going to set it exactly how you've left it. So that was the gold. Let's take a look at the silver one, shall we? It does say to do 2 coats on the instructions in the box, but to be honest, I don't think it needs it. So I'm going to try this one with just 1 coat. Look at that, that's cool. Look at that. Ooh yeah, I like it. Pop it in the lamp to cure. Now this is the Rainbow Universal Cat Eye. Can't wait to see what this one's like. I think this one's going to be really... Ooh! Wow. Look at that in the bottle. Oh, this is going to be cool. This is going to look beautiful. I can see it now. Look at that. Ooh. That is stunning. Let's try the magnet that it comes with 1 coat. Well, you can still get the same effect with that magnet. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. How beautiful is that? I really like that. I'm going to quickly pop that in the lamp. So these are some of the swatches that I swatched the other day out of the first set Kredioo sent me. This one's C004, C003, C002. Now I wanted to show you that when these are applied over different colours, you get a different colour again. So this is the Rainbow Universal Cat Eye. Ooh, I like that colour. It gives like a really subtle silver. Super holographic silver at that. Look at that colour. Ooh. No, my camera's not going to show the holo, is it? No, it's not. Oh, that is so pretty. I wish you guys could see that. Like I'm seeing it. So this is the silver. That's a really nice colour as well. Gives it like a glittery red effect. Ooh, look at that. Just want to kind of push it all to the middle. Wow, I love that when you can't see it 1 minute and then all of a sudden, bam! That is so cool. And then we'll try the gold over the pink. That gives it a kind of orange colour. That's a pretty colour. So what I'm going to do is do some squiggles in it like that. Pop it in the lamp. So I've painted this tip black with the Kredioo C001. Now I see a design on Instagram a little while ago using these cat eyes and I want to give it a try. So I'm going to pop a little bit of this golden on my palette. And I'm going to use a dotting tool. I'm going to try painting a teddy bear. Right, so that is the belly. I'm going to kind of push that down towards the bottom of the belly, but not all of it, just like that. So I'm going to quickly flash cure that, and that'll hold it in place. So that will now, because I've flash cured that, it's going to stop those particles from moving. Now I'm going to get my dotting tool again. Do the feet. Flash cure that. And then we're going to do the arms. Flash cure that. Flash cure that. And there you have your little teddy bear. Look at that. So now I'm just going to pop a little bit of detail on him. There you go, you've got a little teddy bear. Not bad for my first attempt, is it? So I'm going to cure him in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm going to go over Mr. Teddy Bear with the Kredioo shiny top coat. And that should make him come to life. There he is. Look at him, he's cute. So I'm going to pop him in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I want to try something different on this one, guys, because it's a bit boring. So I want to try doing a bit of an ombre with the silver and the rainbow. So I'm going to do a strip down the middle with the silver. It's not got to be neat or anything. There we go. Look at that. So there we are, guys. That is them all done. That's them all swatched. Done a few little designs using them. What do you think? I think they're really, really cool. This is definitely my favourite one though. How cool is that? I'm hoping you... That was my chair, by the way, I didn't fart. I'm hoping you can see that holographic showing on the camera. It's really, really hollow. Really cool. So these are available on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link to them in my description box, and I shall also pin it in my comments as well, along with the link to the Kredioo store. You'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen is a discount code as well for you guys. I want to say a massive thank you to Kredioo for sending me these to try. They're really, really smart. I can't wait to do some more designs with them. So that's everything, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.